The last one is what? Vicent. How old are you?
52. My office is based in Australia.
Working for who?
When I cooperated, Chimunga, Kabula, I say Chimunga, Kabula Mulio, Sam.
Where is that?
In the Memorandum Ward.
You have a national identity card?
I do. Number is CM 720 AD ATF AD.
You have a telephone number? Where is that?
Town Council, Sechunga, Mulanda what?
Chimunga. Number?
Yes.
Where is your father?
My father? My father is dead. He's a left. Yes.
You have a national identity card?
I have.
Is the CF.
Where are you going to do? How about that?
I'm the stepmom. My husband is here. That's it.
Choose one last one. We're going to fight it. Since he's only like 9 street.
Akurut Sarah.
Pardon?
Akurut Sarah, aka 59 years.
What do you do for a living?
Chito.
Yeah, where exactly? And what exactly do you do?
I live in beauty products and hair.
You sell or you do? How
I
much
sell.
are you? This is no consumption.
Yes.
At the premise, shop number.
Shop number. Let's just along opposite the supermarket. What is the
I don't know what's the road.
Chito, Mamerito Road. Municipality, Chira.
You should do answer that yourself. What does it know? Where is the living?
Chira. Chito is the village. Yes.
You have a national identity card?
Yes, I do.
CF 90 P.
I'll go to the phone now.
0775.
What's the package? Nothing. So what is the offense? Where is my From where? How much money? peaceful ruling where this kind of
My name is Lois. I have a case with Wakulabikako, which is at Entebbe police, at Entebbe court. A wall was denied a bail from Entebbe court on the 19th, but then he felt that on the 19th of January, and he decided to come to High Court to appeal to be given a bail. Ever since I got a wall, I think he's not so much interested in sorting out the issues. He's not interested in knowing that I caused problems and I should sort them out. And he decided to bring his bail to High Court, but I also came in to give them my points and the reasons why I feel he shouldn't get a bail. It took me 2 years to look for him, and it was very difficult because Owol does not have Ugandan numbers. He only uses an American number, so you only have to get him on WhatsApp. And at a certain point, he actually even blocked me on WhatsApp, so I could not access him, I could not talk to him at all. And for that reason, I feel that he shouldn't be given a bail. He has to sort out this issue because he may be given a bail and he disappears again, and it is going to be very difficult to get him a bail. So our proceedings are starting tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to be there in Entebbe, and I believe that justice is going to prevail in court. Transferred here, it is still in Entebbe. But what Owol did, like any other con man, he feels he wanted a bail badly. He's not so much interested in sorting out the issue, but he wants the bail badly. And for that reason, he decided to come and apply for a bail in High Court to appeal. He feels that in Entebbe, he feels it was not fair for him to be denied a bail. Yet he knows the very strong reasons why he was denied a bail, and that is why he came here. But I believe that justice is going to continue prevailing everywhere he goes, because he knows he's a con man. If he was not, he would be sorting out this issue. By now, we wouldn't be moving up and down. But he's a typical con man who feels that he should make the public suffer, who feels that he should make people suffer. And I believe that for all those reasons, Owol is not someone that should really be considered to be given a bail, because such a person, how do you even trust him that when he's given a bail, he will appear? There is no reason why people should believe in him. Money. I want him to give me my land. He should be able to give me my titles and give the second buyer his money, because he knows I bought that land first. And actually the second buyer was informed prior to paying that I already paid that land. He was even informed to consult the LOC, but he refused. So there are so many possibilities that they are together. There are so many possibilities that they work together, because imagine you're told that the land has already been paid, because the same broker took us to the same land. The same broker informed the second buyer that I had already paid for that land. Requested him even to consult from the LOC, but the second broker insisted, and he says he also paid. We also agreed to look for him together, but he refused. Even when I got him and I called him, he was not minding. They have so many statements that are not coordinating, which prove that they work together, according to me. But I know court will bring out the truth, because everything is there. So,
how much did you buy this land?
I bought that land 70 million. On the 11th day of January 2022. And the second buyer also claims that he bought it 70 million, the same amount that I paid. The land is located in Namlanda, in Buz Cell. along Entebbe Road. Lois akunana mwami w'olipo ku ttaka lyeyambuza era n'anfera. Ettaka eryo yalinguza obukadde 7. Bwe yamala olinguza obukadde 7 aclaiminga nti yaliguza omuntu omulala n'avaayo naye n'agamba nti naye yalimuguza obukadde 7. So twali nalipotinga mu kkooti y'Entebbe era twaliyo ne bamuma bbeera naye bwe bamuma bbeera ye yasalawo okujja ku high court okwapiiringa asobole okufuna bbeera. Bwe yajja nange nenzija nateekayo ataddeyo okusaba kwe era bamugambye okudda nga abiri bulungu okumuwulira ekinaaba kivudde mu kusaba kwe. Naye olunaku lw'enkya omusango gwaffe gutandika okuwulirwa mu kkooti ey'Entebbe era ne second buyer ajja kubeerawo. Ekyo nze ngamba kijja kukola bulungi, ffenna tujja kubeerawo abasatu tulabe ekituufu kyekiriwa, naye ng'amanyi nti nkyayimiridde ku mazima era ekituufu kijja kuvaayo nti ettaka eryo nina okulifuna kubanga nyimiridde ku mazima era ng'amanyi nti owoolipo ekituufu akimanyi. Bino byonna byakola yeebuzaabuza bwebuzaabuza okudduka era ng'omufere bw'abeera kubanga akimanyi bulungi nnyo nti yanguza ettaka, akimanyi bulungi nnyo nti waliwo owokubiri yalibadde yatusootinga dda bino ne bikola ki ne biggwa ne tubivaamu. Naye era ng'omufere bw'abeera aganye okukkiriza nti nakola ensobi, aganye okukkiriza nti abantu bano nyina okubasootinga, n'asalayo okugenda nga yeeyongerayo naye nga manyi nti amazima gajja kuvaayo era nga nsuubira nti nja kufuna ettaka lye. Owooli saagala nnyo bamute kubanga kyantwalira ebbanga lya myaka 2 okumunoonya. Bwe yamala okunguza ettaka eryo amasimu gonna yagajjako ag'e Uganda n'asigala ng'akozesa enamba ya American number ng'okumufuna olina okumufunira ku WhatsApp. Tosobola kumukubira mu ngeri yonna n'omufuna okujjako ng'okozeseza WhatsApp. Ate ne ku WhatsApp abeera akulimba era bw'omusindikira message akuddamu n'akulimba kino n'akulimba kiri mpaka yayisaawo ekikyera abazima ddala ng'omufere bw'abeera. Kati y'ensonga lwaki saagala bamute kubanga omuntu gwe munoonyeza emyaka 2 ng'amanyi nti nina abantu benaguza ettaka ne mbakyankalana amasimu gonna n'agajjako okumufuna kibadde kizibu. Abantu bangi bagezaako naye nga bigaanye. Kati engeri Katonda gye yamuleeta saagala agende nga kino tekinaba kugwa kubanga okuddamu okumufuna kijja kuba kizibu ng'era bwe kibadde okumufuna. Ettaka lyange era nsaba ajja kukwata essente ezo. Yayogerako mu kkooti nti ayagala kumpa ssente naye essente ezo njagala zikwata ziwe second buyer kuba ettaka eryo nze nasooka okuligula njagala mpa ebyapa byange era ekyo kyenja okulwanirira mpaka ng'akwasiza ebyapa byange aclaiminga nti ebyapa ebyo second buyer yabiina naye second buyer tugenda kubeerawo naye enkya bw'abanga yabiina kuba second buyer naye twakanyako nti bwe tunaafuna awooli agenda kumuddiza ssente ze anziriza ebyapa ebyo.